So we are going to begin with the 6th lesson. The name of the lesson is We Can't Find Our Feet. We can't. C-A-N and apostrophe. We can't. That is cannot is written in short form. Can't. We can't find our feet. We can't find our feet. Feet which we walk on. The feet takes you wherever you want. It makes you walk. It's about, Hoja is a funny man. Funny means he makes everybody laugh and is a very wise person. So these children, there were some children, they were sitting near a river and they were putting their legs into the water and they were telling a lot of funny things to Hoja. Hoja also listened to them and they have a lot of fun. So we are going to know what is it like. We just read through and see what's happening. Nasruddin Hoja. His name is Nasruddin Hoja. He's very clever. He's a very clever person. He's a very clever person. Clever means very wise person. He is also very funny. Funny means make people laugh. Make people laugh. He makes people laugh with his clever jokes. He says clever jokes means which is very wise enough. It's not that foolish way of talking, but very wise, which makes you think. That kind of a jokes he is to, crack with people. He is fat with a round belly. He is very fat. Belly means the stomach. He had a round stomach. Very big stomach he had. Who had a very big stomach? Hoja. Nasruddin Hoja had a very big stomach. And what was his structure? What was his structure? What was his physique like? He was very fat. He was very fat with a round stomach. Belly. Belly means stomach. He has a long white beard. The hair which is grown on the face is called the beard. The face, the hair is which is grown on the face is called the beard. Do you have beard? Do you have beard? No, you won't have now. When you grow big, you will have beard. Okay. Now he has a long white color beard. What color beard he had? White. Yes, he had white color beard. What is it? Is it bad? Is it bad? What is it? How do you pronounce that? Beard. What is it? Beard. Yes. All the children love him because he's such a wise man, clever man, and also he cracks funny jokes which makes people think. They crowd around him and enjoy the stories he tells them. He crowd around means he's gather around. All the children come very close to him. And why they come very close to him? Why do they come very close to him? Because Hoja tells a lot of stories. Hoja tells a lot of stories. To hear the stories, they come close to him. One day, the children of the village see Hoja resting near the village stream. So one day, the children were just coming. They saw Hoja resting. He was sitting down there and taking rest. Where was he taking rest? Near the village stream. Stream means which water is running by. Water flows. That is called the stream. So he was just sitting near a stream. They decide to have some fun. So they wanted to have some fun with Hoja. They put their feet in the water and shout, Hoja, Hoja, we are in trouble. Please help us. They come near the water. They put their legs in the water. And they started shouting. What did they started shouting? Hoja, Hoja, we are in trouble. We are having problem. He said, the children said, we are having problem. Now turn to next page, page number 40. Hoja opens his eyes and asks, what is the matter? He knows that children are being naughty. So he was resting. We heard little before saying that he was resting near the stream. At that time only they wanted to, have fun with Hoja. And they put their legs into the water. And they said, Hoja, Hoja, we are in trouble. So he opens his eyes and then he asks, what is the matter? Means, what is the problem? He knows the children are being naughty, but Hoja is very clever. He knew that they are very naughty children. They are giving a lot of, not trouble. They are being little bit funny with Hoja. So they were little naughty children, means doing all the funny things. You see, it is very hot today. So we put our feet in the water. Now our feet have got mixed up. We don't know which feet are whose. We can't find our feet. We cannot walk until we find our feet. Now what did they tell? Yes, all of them put their legs into the water. Now telling Hoja, our feet all got mixed up. My feet with somebody else's feet with another person. It got mixed up. Can this happen? Can this happen? No, it cannot happen, but they want to just fool Hoja. They said, see, we can't find our feet, so we cannot walk. Our feet is with somebody else. It all got mixed up. So now let's see what Hoja is going to do. The children smile. Wait. We cannot walk until we find our feet. So told Hoja, only if we get our feet back, only then we can walk. Now we cannot walk with somebody else's feet. The children smile and giggle. How do you giggle? That is called giggle. How do you giggle? Yes. Smile means only, this is smile. This is smile. Giggle means make a sound, and that is called giggle. Hoja also want to have some fun. So Hoja also, he wanted to have some fun with the children. Now what he did? He gets up. Now he was resting. He gets up from there. Stroke his beard. Stroke his beard means he said, like this. He started pulling his beard like that and says, oh, this is serious. Now what did Hoja tell the children? Oh, this is very serious. Let me see, what can I do? Now the children told Hoja that the feet got mixed up. Now he said, let me see what I can do for you. Hoja, hurry up. We have to go home. Now again the children start shouting and saying, Hoja, hurry up means come on fast. We have to go home. Hoja picks up a broken branch and walks to where the children are sitting. Now he took one branch. A broken branch means a branch which was already broken and it had fallen down. He took that branch and he was going towards the children. And then what happened? He sits near them and tickles the children's feet with the branch. So what he did? He took the branch, he put it under the water and he tickled. So all of them got tickled. You know when somebody just their hand and tickle you. When you see this place, all are very sensitive. When they put their fingers or something and do like this on you get tickled up. Get very sensitive portion, that is. So same way, Hoja put the branch under the water and started tickling them. And then what happened? The children begin to feel ticklish and cannot keep their feet in the water any longer. They pull their feet out of the water and run away laughing. Hoja looks at them and says, this is the way you find your feet. Now what did they do? What did Hoja do? Hoja put the branch underneath and started tickling. So all felt very ticklish on their legs and all lifted their legs and started running. So Hoja said, yes, this is the way you find your feet and all. Actually, was it the truth? Was it real? Did they get the feet mixed up? No, they did not get the feet mixed up. They simply told Hoja. And then Hoja, what trick he did? He took one branch and started tickling their feet and they felt very ticklish. And then took out the legs from the water and they all started running home. So Hoja said, this is the way to find your feet. Very nice, isn't it? Clever and funny also. So you got to read this lesson and the words in this which is tough, you got to learn them. Okay? So I just post some words for you. You just write it in your book and learn. Okay, then see you in the next class.